you guys doing? I'm Andy with My Soldier Trades.
And I'm Sara.
Today, well, first of all, I'm sure everybody knows Tesla is a monster.
Yeah, it sure is.
I decided to short Tesla. I saw that nice little candle in the sky there on the daily, and I saw that basically there was some weakness, and it was holding the 65 as resistance, and I believe at that moment the 200 was even above the 65, and it just had happened, so I was like, alright, let's do this. By the way, that's on the 15-second, guys, and then the immediate sense. Yeah, Tesla is no joke. I can say that that Tesla traded exactly like some low flow penny stocks doing away.
Yeah, sort of.
Except it was like a combination of like the SPY, that freight train thing. When I say the freight train thing, I mean like the SPY. When you trade the SPY, it turns against you, and it doesn't stop. It's like that like quarter machine deal that the quarters are sitting on the edge, and it has that big pushing bar that pushes them over the edge. That's kind of how Tesla and the SPY trade.
Yeah, pushing you.
Except Tesla can get really, really whippy and crazy.
Yeah, definitely.
And I was just like,
crazy.
I was like, you know what, Sara? I'm just gonna take my loss here because this thing can really do some nutty stuff.
And it did.
And it did exactly. Yeah, good thing I closed that. 2 profitable long trades in Tesla.
Yeah. 2
losing shorts.
Yes.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Don't short Tesla. That's the lesson of the day.
Yeah. Right.
Got 100%, 180% profit in calls on I and Telesat today. So that was awesome. That was a good way to turn those negative feelings around from Tesla.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I was like, man, that sucks. I hate Tesla. I hate trading. I don't want to do this no more. No, I'm kidding. But I'm just like all bummed out, and all of a sudden I'm like, Sara, it's 280% of my total, like 180% profit.
Right. That was cool though. I love that.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do it next.
That was pretty awesome. Yeah, I couldn't be more happy about that. 180% profit in one trade, buying calls on Telesat. That was, and I'm guessing it could have got a lot better. It could have.
Yeah.
All that. Yeah.
Yeah. So, all I know is I want to take option trades for me. So that's what I'm doing. I'm looking for some sort of options I can trade.
We just found the new options trader here.
We'll see.
Mighty Soldiers Trades has the, I guess the spiking on heavy volume trader, and
although I can also say that another thing I like to do is I don't remember exactly the earnings before this earnings for Tesla. It's hot, but I told Andy before earnings on Tesla, I'm like, watch Tesla, it's gonna fly. I don't remember exactly.
I was in Kramer's camp. Okay. I thought Tesla was going to come out with something that was going to just make Tesla die. I thought Tesla was going back to like 170, guys. Seriously, I thought the total opposite. But then when I saw Tesla beasting and making new highs, then I hear other people saying, oh, it's done. It's wore out. This is it. I was like, no, this isn't it. Tesla's definitely going to reach 700 before it stops.
Right.
And perfect bull flag pattern there with Tesla. It was awesome after hours. But either way, it was just like, you knew this thing was going to do more. And then finally today, I'm like, Sarah's like 960 or 900, whatever. Like
900, yeah, it was like 900.
I'm like, what? Tesla's
it's not.
The next $1 trillion company is sitting here, and they don't make anywhere near what even the weakest auto company makes, I don't think, yet. So, yeah.
It's crazy. That's what it is.
So everything today is all for us. It's all about Tesla, and like Tesla, you can just take my money because it was just fun, just hanging out with you and just being there, And honestly, I think I deserve getting spanked for shorting Tesla.
Yeah,
but so that's what you get for shorting Tesla. By the way, just so you know, I did short Tesla before Andrew Left came out with Citron saying that he was short Tesla.
Yeah.
That came out probably 45 minutes after.
Probably, yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I mean, the truth is, guys, every time I went long, it was like hanging out with the tiniest amount of profit, and then turn against me and push. I'm like, okay, I'm out. Then every time I go short, the same thing, tiniest amount of profit, and then push. Okay, I give up. I'm done. I tap. I'm out of here. And that's the point, is that, we are stock traders, so we're able to manage our risk.
Right.
You can manage your risk even in options. You can manage your risk in all these different trades. Like, we don't have to get out there and just expose our entire account to chaos and destruction.
Right.
And, you know, we have and we learn rules as we go along. And the more I do this, the more I realize I love my rules. I love our rules. I love our trading rules.
Me too. Rules are definitely important to remember.
The closer we get to, the more we feel the success in the market, the more we know that there's only one reason for that, and that's following our rules. And every time that we're, you know, getting slapped and something stupid like this, it's like you didn't obey your rules. Like, one thing, trade what you know. I don't know Tesla, guys. Only thing I know about Tesla is that I guess it trades like a penny stock, and the thing's $1,000 now almost.
Yeah.
So it's $1,000 penny stock, you know, and you know, don't say anything bad about Tesla, because the people that have this cult following, they will hunt you down. I mean, I'm not thinking they'll hunt you down. Who knows? They might at least post a comment.
Maybe.
You know, you don't want to tick off Tesla people, man. You guys are awesome. I love you guys.
Hey, I like Tesla stock. Every time before earnings, I'm like, oh, maybe we should buy some Tesla.
Actually, I'm telling her right now, maybe we should buy a Tesla. I'm thinking about getting a Model 3, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. You know, I'm not looking to get the Model S or anything, or you know, any. Just a nice Model 3, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds. It's only $58,000.
Not too bad.
Yeah. So,
I bet you a lot of people made that kind of money in Tesla this week.
Yeah, basically, it's the same price as getting like an STI or an Evo and beasting that out with a giant, nice turbo and, you know, 1,100, 1,200 bigger injectors. I don't know. I'm just rambling here, but like it's like that. Like, costs the same, but it's already done and ready for you, and you know, it's.
Yeah. Well, you know, I have a question. Now, Tesla's supposed to be having some semis, right?
Yeah.
And I know that there's a store around here that ordered some, and I haven't seen any Tesla semis yet, so where the heck are they?
Yeah, and I think those are 0 to 60 in like 4.6 seconds.
Yeah, so those freaking semi-truck drivers can run you over. That sounds like a good idea.
Those Tesla semis, I think, are as fast as the Evo.
Well, I can't even imagine that, because some of these semis look kind of scary when you're driving next to them.
Yeah, so anyways, yeah, we traded a couple others. We traded GEN, got my profit, and got out of there real fast. Okay, that one, if I can tell you real quick, I put my order into sell. As soon as I put my order into sell, this thing stopped. Yeah. Momentum, action, anything. Time and sale stopped dead. It's like crickets. I'm like, I've been here before. I know what's happening. So what I do with that is I'll do like an ask -1 or even greater than an ask -1, cancel and hit it. Mm-hmm. And what that does is that drives down the ask to where basically you'll get filled. Luckily I did that because I got to take some profit out by doing that. Yeah. If I wouldn't have done that, however, I would have been sitting here telling you about like a 5.3% loss.
Yeah.
And that's exactly it. It just went down, just died. It was a pump and dump. I had shorts on it, but you know, there's no volume, there's no momentum, there's no nothing.
Right.
And I did for fun flash my shorts in there just to see if maybe I can get filled, but you know, I don't know. I play too much, guys.
Yeah.
But you know, playing's you can play and be real at the same time. Not you. Don't play. Don't play in the market, guys. Don't play in the market.
And then the other stock you traded was ONTX.
ONTX, yeah, that was just going in my favor at the moment. It was just a good little piece for me. That's about it. Like. It wasn't anything great. I didn't expect it to fly, which it didn't.
Yeah, you know? Well, I mean, from where you got in, though, it kind of went up pretty good. But then, it's kind of like flattened out a bit, but it hasn't gone back down. So, I don't know.
Right, I could have held it longer, but it didn't do much after that anyway. Yeah. So, I'm good on that. And, again, Tesla, guys. Tesla.
I don't know. In my opinion, I think the market's been pretty freaking boring lately, except for Tesla and, like, Amazon earning type stuff. But other than that, it's like crickets.
Yeah.
It's pretty boring right now. And it's just like, and that's what it seems like you lose the most money is because you're getting into dumb things.
That's why they say sometimes the best position is no position.
Exactly.
Sometimes the best profit is no profit, just sitting on your hands.
Right.
Stay in cash.
Exactly, because like it's just, come on.
Although I don't really care if the volume's there for my options trading so much.
Well, right, but I'm just talking about your day trading penny stocks. It's just been nothing really.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. It's more of like here's the worm, guys. Come get me. And
right.
Trade the worm, bound to be the catch of the day.
Although it is nice to be able to find those stocks, which you do, the ones that are low volume, and you get in and it's just an easy ride up sometimes, which that happens sometimes. Those are cool too, though.
So anyways, guys, I don't want to keep you guys here for for way too long. So I'm Andy with Plain Soldier Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time.
Check us out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.